This protective housing or vlogging case is compatible with GoPro Hero 7, 6 and 5. Although it's made completely out of plastic, it seems to be quite sturdy. It also has all the openings that are necessary to operate all buttons on the GoPro. The securing frame on the back can easily be removed and reattached via a groove and clicks into position when it's firmly in place. At the bottom, it has a slot specifically designed to hold the GoPro audio adapter. It also comes equipped with a hot shoe mount that can be used to attach a small flash, video light or microphone. I use it with my Rode Wireless Go microphone and connect the receiver unit via TRS cable to the audio adapter. For vlogging, I use it attached to the 3-way grip extension arm and tripod from GoPro, and it works absolutely flawlessly. Overall, I'm really happy with the product. I can highly recommend it. I bought it on Amazon for only $18, so it's considerably cheaper than native housing options from GoPro or some other brands that are built from, let's say, aluminium. If you are only using it for vlogging and nothing extreme, it definitely does the job. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next one.